If you're looking for a way to sell your digital products online without spending a dime on ads, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to sell your digital products online without spending a dime on ads using free Quora traffic. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to give you my top secret strategy of finding high traffic questions that has given me over 40,000 views on Quora. If you're with me, let's get right into it. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I'm Faith, and all I do on this channel is to teach how to make money online and how to build professional websites with WordPress. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Let's go right into it. So the first step you have to take is to come to Quora.com. Just come to your browser and type Quora.com. So it will bring you to an interface like this. So Quora is a question and answer forum where people come to ask a lot of questions about the problems they are having. If you come here, just come to this tab here with pencil icon. If you click on it, it's going to show you all the questions people are asking on Quora. All right, you can start answering most of these questions to build your credibility online. The first thing to do is to create your account. As soon as your account is set up, you have to come to this icon here, this profile icon here, click on it, tap on this icon here so that you can set up your profile. So as soon as it opens, you're going to upload your profile picture because people want to see a human being there. So you have to set up something that looks real. So I'm going to upload any image from my PC. So as soon as that is done, I'm going to add my bio. My bio can say 10 years in digital marketing. All right, so if you don't know what to put, you can put anything and ChatGPT will help you. Let's put this, set up this. Then the next thing you have to do is to write a description about yourself. This is where you're going to sell yourself. Let's say I'm into make money online niche. I want to put something like this: helping you make money online, get access to a free guide. So this free guide could be your email marketing or your lead magnet. It could be the lead magnet you're using to generate leads that you can sell to much more later, or it can be a direct link to your ebook. Type whatever you want to type. If you want to add the link, let's say you want to add a link. Let me copy this link, for instance. Let me show you how to add a link. So let's say I want to add a link here. I'll just do like this, then come here and say free guide. Just type it, free guide, then highlight it. As soon as I highlight it, click on this here, then click on icon. You want to add a link there, that will be a link. Then click on add. As soon as you add it, it has highlighted this. Can you see? Has highlighted this. So anyone that clicks on this will get access to where your digital product is. It could be your ebook, it could be a planner, or whatever you're selling. So update it. So now this is how your profile is. Your profile is set up. The next step you have to take now is to start answering questions that people are asking on Quora relating to your niche. Like I said, if you're in the food niche, you're going to ask questions relating to food. If you are in the make money online niche, if you are in the affiliate marketing niche, that is what you will do. Just come to this place, click on answer, or you can search for anything. You can literally search for anything. Let's say make money online. Let me put it, make money online. So that's what I want. The question, I want to see questions people are asking about make money online. Just enter. As soon as you do this, it will give you a lot of questions. Can you see that this question alone has up to 11,000 people, almost 12,000 people following up? They want to also get answers to this question, and you can see 8,100 persons have already answered this question. Can you see? These are questions people ask. Can you see the number of follows? This number of follows are just like the number of people interested in that same question. They just want to get answers. So as soon as you click on answer, let's say you want to answer this one, click on answer, and then you begin to answer the best way to make money online. As soon as you answer it, Quora will send a notification to all those people, all these people here, these 12,000 people here, a notification that someone has already answered them, and that is visibility for you. You can answer as many questions as possible. If you're in the food niche, you can also ask questions there, or you just come straight to answer. You can also find questions here. All right, these are questions people are asking. Just come straight and answer the questions, answer strategically, and do not embed your link directly. Make sure you answer in a detailed way. You can write up to, like, let me say, up to 500 words or less than that, or you make it 2 paragraphs. At the end of your answer, you can say, I have a reference guide you can get today to help you. You now attach your digital product link there. That's another way to sell. So that's the number 2 thing you have to do. The number 3 step you have to take is to make a post. Now that you have set up your profile, you've optimized it, you've started answering questions, you might want to explore another angle, which is making a post. You can just come here, come to this place, click on create a post. So you just simply write a topic: how to make money online in 2025, how to make money online in 2025. So if you don't know how to go about this, ChatGPT can help you. Just answer the questions, write a detailed answer. If you want to attach an image, click on image here. Let's say I want to attach this image. I click on it, it opens. Then I begin to answer these questions. When you're done answering the questions, you can say get access. You can say get access to this free guide. Or let's say you just want to give out a free guide for lead generation. You can do that. Just highlight it, highlight the guide, then click on this A here, click on link. You want to add a link they can click on. Just click on add. Can you see that that's been highlighted, that's been anchored? Anyone that clicks on it will go directly to where that thing is, and then you click on post. Let's say this is just what you want. Let me just click on post so that you see how it looks like. I've made this post. Can you see? So I've gotten 1 view because I'm the one that viewed it. People can also like what you have done and click on upvote to upvote your post. So that's the number 3 thing you can do to sell your ebook. In the area of selling your book now, you should know that you should be actually making a detailed post that help people. Let's say you want to talk about how to make money in 2025. Just come to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT and tell it to write a post for us. We can copy and paste. Tell it to write. Let's go and say, ChatGPT, write a Quora answer as an expert in the make money online niche. I can copy and paste for the topic. So you now put the topic we're writing, how to make money online in 2025. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. All right. So I can't finish all of them. So since it has given us this, I can just copy this. In 2025, you can do this. No, just copy, come back to that place. I want to edit it. Let's go to edit post. I want to paste this. Let me paste this. In 2025, you just rewrite the post that ChatGPT has given to you so that it will sound human. Just give it your human touch and say, get the exact guide that has helped me generate 5 $100. So maybe this is, then you now highlight the guide. Okay, just highlight the guide here, and then let me copy this link. I just want to use this link. Okay, let's go back, click on this A again, click on link. You want to attach a link, then you add. So this is it. So anyone that clicks on this will actually get access to your ebook, and they will get access to it. So let me highlight this. You can make this bold. This is how to make a post, and then you publish it. So as soon as you publish it, your post is live. Remember, I've talked about you answering questions. The third one here is making a post. These are posts that will actually make you get views, and when you start generating views, people will start clicking on your links and they will buy whatever you have to offer. It's just how to go about it. If you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. I promise to give you something towards the end of this video for watching to the end, and that is the secret strategy of getting the most searched questions on Quora. Instead of coming here to start typing, searching for questions, you can go straight to the point by getting the questions with the most views, so that you can actually start answering them immediately. And that is the secret I'm about to reveal to you. So how do you go about that? You simply come to your profile here, hover around your profile. When you hover around it, you click on it, you come to create ads. All right, click on create ads. We're not going to create any ad, but then let's get into it. You can create your ad account. Let me get my email now. So I need to get my email ready. So I've entered my email here. All right, click on next. Tell us more about your business. You can just write anything you want to do. Let's say faith.com. I just want to put anything. Put your country, Nigeria. Just put anything you want to put there. Business name, faith tutorial. Just create your account. Then we go over to the main thing. Here we are going to click on, just come here, come to the top right hand corner here, click on create new campaign. That is, click on new campaign. So as soon as you click on new campaign, you can choose traffic or conversions, but I want to click on traffic. Then scroll down, leave it at $25, or you can write it yourself. Just leave it at $25 there. Then click on continue. We're not creating ads, but I'm going to show you where the secret is, because this is one thing people do not know about Quora. Now we are here. What we're going to do is, you can see this topic, you can see keywords, you can see questions. You can navigate any of them, but the most important thing you have to do is just to come here, come under exclude questions, click on bulk exclude. You're going to type your niche. Let's say my niche is make money online. Let's see questions people are asking. Can you see this question? What is the easiest way to make money online? Has 500 to 700 weekly views. Can you see it? These are questions that people are asking on Quora, and the number of views they are getting every single week. All you have to do is just click on this one, open in a new tab, click this one again, open in a new tab, and once you click all of them, so what you will do is come and start answering the questions. So let's see this one. This is the question here. You can start answering them immediately. How do I make money online? You will have to start answering them, and you can see more questions here, related questions. Can you see? So you can click on answer. When you click on answer, you write your own answer here, and you start building your audience. Let me show you one more thing. Let's go back again. Let me go back again and type smoothie. Let's see questions people are asking about smoothies. Let's see, continue. See, these are questions people are asking about. Are there any risk to blending vitamin pills? Blah 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 blah. Anything you want, you can think of, whatever you can think. Let's say web design. Just web design. Okay, you can get questions that people are asking. Can you see these are questions they are asking? What you have to do is to answer all of them or make posts about them. You can make a post about them. You copy this question and then go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, answer this. Answer this. Answer this. All right. So just tell ChatGPT to answer this question and it will answer the question for you. As soon as it answers this question, come to Quora, click on create a post, paste that question. So this is the question asked. Then you want to start writing something about it. You want to start writing answers about it. So let me go and copy the answer from ChatGPT. Can you see? Just copy the answer, but make sure you edit it, right? Because AI has given you its own. You are expected to make it sound human. So this is how to answer it. Web development versus web design, understanding key difference. You can just make changes to it and boom, you click on post. Your post has been created. Can you see? Anyone that searches this question, what is the difference between web development and web design, will see your question and they will read it. They can upvote, they can share, and they can comment here. This is comment, this is share. They can share, they can upvote. Upvote just like to like. That's basically how to go about it. So the final strategy, which is the first strategy, is to post in Quora Spaces. So if you come to your Quora profile, you can see this is home, this is the people you are following. You can see questions to answer, then you can see spaces. Just come to spaces, click on it, you can see different spaces. These spaces are just like groups where you have a lot of people asking questions. Again, you can answer their questions, you can interact with them and say whatever. These are spaces meant for baking. You can see there are different, see these are spaces meant for marketing, these are spaces meant for food. Let's say I want to join food space. I just click on food. I'm going to do what? Follow space. Just click on follow. It will suggest other spaces you can join as well. So as soon as you join this space, all you do is just to come here and start making posts. You want to start helping people, sharing ideas like the 5 ways to cook, cooking mistakes to avoid, cooking myths that you want to debunk, errors and what you have learned in cooking, those stuffs you do on social media, on other social media platforms. You can start sharing them here. Can you see what people are sharing on the platform? These are questions people are asking and they are answering them themselves. You understand? They are answering the questions themselves. You can also post your own question, either ask a question or answer a question being asked in the group, or you can just post something that will help people. How to avoid home accidents, how to avoid home accidents while cooking. And just put something, accidents while cooking. So this could be the topic you want to share with the members of the community. You write the post and submit. So when you submit it, the admin will approve your post, and that is it. You can join as many as you want to join and start giving value. Remember, the secret to making it is giving value, establishing yourself as an authority, being consistent, grow your views. As long as your views keep growing, people will always reach out to you via your DM. People will always want to click your profile, and then they will see that your profile is optimized and there is a link there to buy what you're selling. They will click on it to buy without even you telling them to buy. So these are secret strategies that people are not exploring, and I want you to start exploring it. Let me know the best strategy that works for you in all of this I've shared here. And if you have anything you want me to make video on, just type it in the comment section and say, Faith, do video on XYZ, and I will do a video teaching you that same thing. Consider sharing this video, liking this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.